Hi guys and welcome to James White Dragon. I'm Trix today. I'm taking the place of Chrome.
Hi!
And today we're going to do a pack opening. Now none of these I'm going to get myself, but I'm sure Chrome is looking for a couple of them.
Definitely.
So we'll just dive straight in and see what we've got. So what's the first one?
As James had his Dark Magician go, I thought I'd have my Dark Magician go open a couple of packs.
Alright, so you got Thunder Dragon Lord.
Ooh, it's pretty artwork.
Yeah, I actually like that.
As you guys will find out, I like dragon artwork.
I like that because it's almost like the like a Chinese dragon with the.
Cool. So what else we got?
We then got the Stairs of Mail. Or was that stars? Stairs.
That's stairs.
That's at stairs. Sorry, I'm dyslexic here. Ooh, oh, that's nice. You're gonna have to pronounce this name because I have no clue.
Marinus Basmalia.
See ya.
Basmalma?
I'm not the only one
I
that's
don't
bad at
know.
names.
I've seen my videos before.
Codebreaker Virus Swordman.
Ooh.
Red Rain.
Oh, I think that's one that somebody said they were after.
Is that one of the...
One of the...
Oh no, I thought it was different artwork. Okay. But, ooh, shiny. Alright, and then we got Red Familiar. Oh, that's kind of nice actually.
Just to be a heads up, this is going to be a cutesy video. Her going, ooh, pretty.
Ancient Warriors. Accepted Jaiwen. That's cool. I like that. Megalith Unformed.
Oh, for your Megalith deck.
Yep. Deep Sea Sentry. Oh, that's cool. I like the little nod in there. Cool. And then we're back round to the beginning. So, next pack.
So no witchcrafters this time. We're after the witchcraft and the dino. If we pull those,
yeah,
we're in trouble.
Okay. I take it there's going to be a fight over which gets what.
Well, the Dino King will want his dino, so
yeah, of course he will.
That's what we're hunting for.
Gecko the power load? Ooh.
Goki the power load or Ogre.
Oh, Goki, yeah, of course. Hey, you got a double. I think I know who would like that one though. Stairs and Mail again. Parallel Exceed?
Yep.
Cool.
Scripton.
Scripton.
It's not bad.
Nocto Vision Dragon? Oh, I see the Nocto Vision. Yeah, I see the pun in that. Proxy F Magician. And then we've got Red Familiar. And we're back round to the beginning.
So far, so good. Still none of the
ones you're
high-hitting cards.
None of the ones you're after. So I'll tell you what, I'm going to do 2 packs at a time at this point.
No, do 1 pack at a time.
Ooh!
Oh, I know somebody's after that one.
Deep Sea Artisan. Yeah, well, they won't have to fight me for it.
No, I was speaking about you donut.
Periwraith the Ghost Pirate.
Ooh, Ghost Pirate.
Codebreaker Virus Berserker. Torpedo Takedown.
Plunder Patrol.
Ooh, I actually like that.
Salamangreat. Oh, somebody's going to have to Salamangrates.
And then we've got our Proxy F again. Goku.
Super Saiyan.
Iron Claw.
Super Saiyan Iron Claw,
King Beast Barbaros. Okay.
Barbaros.
And then we're back round to the Deep Sea Artisan. You can tell which one of us is more in it for the art than it is for anything else. Can't you? Ancient Warriors again. Fearsome
Zangyon.
Yun, yeah.
Ooh, an AI card. I think Joe will be after those
Probably.
AIQs.
Crimson Resonator. I like that. I also like the Resonator joke as well. Goki Guts. Arrival Cyber. Ooh.
Oh, it's an insignia. Ooh. An insignia.
That's pretty. Bluebeard the Plunder Patrol. Oh, that's kind of cute actually. Ooh, Splash Mage. That's cool. Oh,
going to be just a whole cutesy
magical
moment.
hound, yeah.
And Salamangreats again.
Now in background. Okay.
Still no nose.
Still not the ones you want. Not yet.
Still no
Oh!
Another, we got to play sets.
Yay!
And we got to play sets.
Sets. And we got double. And we got a double.
Ooh.
Ooh!
Deep Syria, that looks like it's going to be a...
That's mine?
No, it's not. Not a hope in hell. That's shiny.
Oh, and then the Sentry again.
Oh, an Unchained Twins.
Ooh.
That's got higher rarity.
Ooh.
Ben's deck's got higher rarity, I believe.
I
I'll have to
don't
double check
care.
that.
Again, I think I know where that's going.
In the bin.
No! You're down to 3 now. It'll be kind of ironic if you get each of the 3 cards you want in each one of each of the packs.
Doubt it.
Evil Eye, Re-emergence? Re-emergence. Aww. Flashing Frolic. Frolic. Aww, that's cool. And then the AIQ one again. XYZ. Revive Splash. Ooh.
Ooh, that's a pretty card.
I also know where that one's going.
That's if Ben doesn't want it.
Has he called dibs on it yet?
I don't know, I'd have to
If
ask.
he hasn't called dibs on it yet, I just did. Try it. That's a nice one, but not so much my style. And you got the Smash Mage again. Ooh, I think I know who would like that one. Catalysmic.
That is a hell of a name.
Yeah.
All the C's.
And then I think we're back round to the beginning.
Two left, two left.
Okay. Oh, there's that artisan again. Codebreaker, Berserker. We've got a second one of those. Oh, Rose Gold.
Now that's a cute one.
Yeah. And it's shiny.
Rose Gold, that's a shiny.
Shiny. Foxy F Magician. I think that's a play set. Double. Sorry, I'm a bit out of frame. Triple. So that's a play set, and then we're back round to our double of the Deep Sea Artisan.
And if we think we're going to get the dino out of this, I have no hope anymore. I've seen an ulti, so I don't think we're going to see it.
Link Burst. Oh, and there's a playset of that one then. Buzzsaw Shark.
It's going to be a spell shiny. I'm disappointed.
Heavy Forward. Goldilocks the Battle Landscaper. That looks almost like Mortal Instruments. Not Mortal Instruments. The Landcaller ones, yeah. I know what one I'm thinking of, but I can't think of the
Comment
name.
in the section below of what movie it was. Immortal Engines.
Yeah, that's the one.
Haha, you can't comment it, I've already said it.
Immortal Engines. That's what it makes me think of, is Immortal Engines. Heavy Forward. Playset. I
2.
think that's a 2. Ancient Warrior Saga. Samurai. Swordmaster Musashi. And then it's the Link Burst again. So we're back round.
Okay, so we didn't see any of the dinos, we didn't see any of the Witchcrafter, but I know I've got my hands on a Witchcrafter, so I'm fine, so that's always a good sign. Thank you, Joe. And I do want to see what that one is definitely going to be like. Okay, until the next video, we'll talk to you again later. Any comments and ideas on what videos you want to see? Do you want to see more pack openings, or deck profiles, or just random videos? We've got a couple of duels coming up soon from Dueling Nexus, so hopefully we'll get a couple of those out in the next couple of days. And till the next time, make sure you leave a comment down below of what you want to see, and let us know what your favourite Yu-Gi-Oh card is. James will be looking. I'm just going to drop in right in it now. Bye!